This is a building that was used for mines in the area. I have never explored this building, so it is a new one to me. The rats basically own it. And someone came in to try to work with it because that's plexiglass. But there's some nice rats living in that mattress. Not much. I just happened to stumble across it and figured I'll show it to you. Let's go take a look around outside. Come back. And this is pretty new. I think somebody was trying to turn it into a desert cabin, or maybe somebody who had filed on a claim that's over in that direction. Might have been using it because it was pretty darn close to where it looked like torn pieces of notice of location was. Oh, here. Doorknob or cabinet knob. I thought it was like a baby insulator or something. Couple of fire pits, one there and another using the stove. Oh wow. Still kind of has the enamel on it. Anyone need a four-wheeler? All right, catch you guys on the next one.